Hiya, it's Andy and the Sunday Shave from Cream and Whiskers. Hello, how are you all? Well, had a good week? Brilliant. Cup of tea time for me today. Have a cup of tea. Leave that by sink. I'll probably end up throwing this open it. It's Proraso range. We have a Proraso Shave on. I'm going to start off by doing that, which is the Proraso soap on. This is the sandalwood and shea butter, and that's what it looks like inside. Have a smell. Go on. Oh, it's really nice actually. But that's what it is. It's a, they call it a crop. It's a cross between a soap and a cream. So it's a crop. Alright, it comes in its own container, but I'll try and do it in there. If not, I'll do it in my own bowl. But we'll see what happens. Alright, I'm going to put a new blade in today as well. And it's a Astra blade. Brand spanking new, come out of the packet. Just put it in. If you watch my videos, you'll probably see how I've loaded them. And then put on top, hangs over slightly. And I'm going to be using the Wilkinson's brush, very first brush I ever bought. Yeah. So we'll see how that goes as well. Right, while that's soaking, I'm going to be using as well the pre-shave cream, which is a white cream. You just put it on. It's as I say, it's a pre-shave cream, so you don't. It's quite soft. It is quite soft. You don't need a lot of it. It's what it sounds, but it's not overpowering the sandalwood in this. It's quite alright. It's quite nice. It's a week's growth. There you go. Week's growth, isn't it? Right there. I still haven't got around to using the cut soap yet. So what have we been up to? Anything exciting? No? A good week? Worked hard? Sat around getting Christmas soon, aren't we? Alright, I know, I'm not supposed to mention it, but I've mentioned it. So hey ho. What were you doing at Christmas? Having a bit of fun? Family around? Excuse me a minute. What did you do for Christmas? Anything exciting? Go see relatives? Have a quiet one with the missus and your boyfriend? Go abroad? It's something go abroad, didn't I? Never tried it. Like to think I could go abroad, but I don't know. Where would you go? But it's sunny. Australia, I suppose. Out on the beach. Yeah, that's the point, isn't it? As I say, it is a hard. Well, I say it's a hard. It's hard. It's a mixture between the two. See, I'll probably use it in here, in their own pot, and then slap it on the old mush. I do like this brush. It's not too hard. It's nothing soft actually. First got it. It smelled like a wet dog, which was very strange, but yeah. I think all brushes smell when you get them, don't they? I think they all smell a bit weird and wonderful. Right, that's all gone. So I think it goes a bit dark on the cameras because I'm in a dark bathroom. I suppose if I do that, I might be able to put a light on. And the lights are done, there we go. That might be better. So, how have we been keeping? Well, cool. Lovely and slick. Just go on, lovely and slick. Yeah, do like. So I got into Proraso, and yesterday I went to a barber, a local barber, who is an Italian barber. And I went to see him. I thought, I have my wet shave. I'll see what this wet shaving is all about. And You put the menthol one on. If you've never had the menthol one, it's the green one in the pack. It smells a bit like Vicks. You know, I'm about the Vicks one. It's all about, it's a bit like that. And I said to him, oh, that's a really nice smell. Can I ask what it is? And he said, it's Proraso. You won't get it in the UK. It's quite you won't get it in the UK. It's quite expensive. I thought, okay. But give me the name of it. So I thought, well, I'll check it out. If he's right, then it's a shame. I'll try and source it from something because I don't like the smell. And no, got it on eBay. I bought the menthol. Which I will admit, I do know. As I say, I do like the menthol. Drink that Vicksy smell, that's what it smells like. Bit more out of the pack or the, pack or tub, whatever you want to call it. Right, second pass, got myself under my scar. Never mind. It would be me if I didn't stick a cut in, isn't it? As I say, you watched it yourself, I cut myself, didn't you? Do you know, it goes on really lovely, it's quite nice and smooth, it's actually cut, and it protects your skin as well with the shea butter, which is, and this brush is good if you're starting out as well. It's quite soft, it's quite soft, it isn't a real hard chunk, some are really difficult to bend. You have to bend them in or get them in. I don't know, I have a cup of tea. Oh, that's dandelion and ginger, I think. Right, second pass. I'm also thinking of doing, I'm going to ask your opinion on this, ladies and gentlemen, a live Christmas shave. Don't know if I want to do it on Facebook or if I want to do it live on YouTube, or if I want to do it live at all. So I'm going to ask you guys out there, what do you think? Should I do it a live Christmas demo? What do you reckon? Look at your comments below for me. If you reckon I should do one, a bit about lunchtime, because I ain't getting out of bed too early anymore. I ain't getting out of bed too early on Christmas morning. Some of you got kids. If you were like me when I was a kid, I was up about 4 o'clock. Santa's used to turn up about 12, I think. And bit more. Santa used to turn up about, I don't know, 12, 1 o'clock. I used to be up about 4. Open my presents. Go in my parents about 5 o'clock. And then my parents were always up because my mum used to do turkey overnight. So what was happening is she would put a turkey in and kick it up and down all night, make sure the turkey ain't burnt. It was burnt in the morning anyway. It wasn't burnt, it was like rubber. And why is it with parents? Why do parents have to stew everything? When I was a kid, you had cabbage, it was like just boiled to death. Don't do it, you don't need to do it anymore. You don't need to do it. I suppose it's the way they work, isn't it? The way they've been brought up. But yeah, no, my parents, and then we'd get up about 8 o'clock, 9, I'd go down. My parents might give me one present from them in the morning. And then it would be, the rest of the day would be family popping in. Or we would go off to family, have our lunch, come back. That's really smooth, that is lovely, I do like that. You can feel the slickness, you can feel the shear bar working and keep it nice and smooth and moisturised. Which is I often see family burns. I was just sitting around a friend's, and then I think that was it. And they about 3 o'clock. About 3 o'clock we would open the rest of our presents that runs as a tree from family. When he was younger, what's that for you? I think I spotted Santa one day. I can't remember, yeah. My mum, because my mum used to put presents on the bottom of the bed, and I think I rolled over and felt them on my bed. And I woke up and I could see my mum going out the bedroom. I was about, I think I was about 8 at the time. Probably about younger than that. I think my mum knew as well. I noticed, because the next year I didn't get it until down under the tree. If you know anybody that's on their own at Christmas, give them a shout as well. Give them a shout, you might. They'd probably love to hear from you. Obviously, a lot of my family, they all want to stay. We've got New Year. A New Year, I used to DJ. I don't so much now, but I used to DJ New Year, and you'd have New Year parties. You used to be working, and people couldn't work out why you charge so much money. Because I'm working. You're enjoying yourself, I'm working. So, New Year, when I was younger, it was everybody to sit around the house and we'd have a party. My dad would do homemade beer in barrels, he'd make it. It's really strong, so from 2-3 pints you'd be like, so yeah, it was alright. I've tried to make my own beer as well. I might do that again one day. I'll put a channel up. Right, I'm going to give this a wash and then we're going to the next part. Oh, back again. Oh, do you want to smell that? It's not that overpowering smell, it's not that one that goes, oh, but no. And then to sort this nick out underneath, I'm going to use that, which is the Proraso. It's just normal smell. It's not a minty smell to it. Comes out like a gel. I don't know if you can hear it. Comes out like a gel, which is hopefully I've I don't know why I got it cut now. I think it's because the scar. I keep nicking it. I was so hairy there. One of the two. So you can buy that as well. It's their shave gels and nick if you nick yourself. I usually use Mr. Natty, but as it's a Proraso shave today, it's right. Now we're gonna how it feel. Go on. Yeah. Nice, isn't it? Stop that. Let's stop that. That's what I'm going to do this different. I'm going to put this on. Actually, no. Let's do it how we should do it. I picked this up. This is their aftershave. They do two. They do this one, which is the sandalwood one. So I am getting a new camera, which hopefully means that it'll focus better and you'll get better sound. I'm just waiting to check it out because they're quite complicated. But they are for me because I'm an old person. I picked that, they do that, which is sandalwood, and they do the other one, which is the eucalyptus one, which is a green one. Pick those up from shaving station. Pick those up, reasonably cheap, really good. You just whiz on their website. You get confirmation that you've ordered it and your money's gone through. You then get confirmation that they're processing it, and it's been sent, and it gets sent. It's usually, I think, 3 to 4 days. Could be less, could be 2. I think mine was about 3 days, and it turned up. So excellent service from shaving station. Brilliant service, did like that. And you can also get them on Facebook as well. Oh, it's going to sting. It's going to sting in a minute. Not too bad. Not too, actually. It's low alcohol because that's not stinging me. I do like this one, so I'm going to put a bit more on. Oh, and that matches, so far, everything we've done. Leave that soaking, and now I'm going to put that on, which is their cream. They do a balm, I think, as well. This is their cream, so white one. It's a nice spice that, but it's not horrible. I'd like to know if they did, because they do a green one. I wonder if they do, I'm just trying to find out if they do it in red to match it, to match the sandalwood. They may not, they may not. Right, let's go through what we've done. But I've had a nice chat. We started off with the Proraso Red shaving cream. Their pre-shave cream. It's a white one. Not very hard, but it's good for you. It does help. You can put that on last as well, I think. You can use that to after as well. I've never done that, but you can use that and then use the aftershave. We then went into the Proraso Shave in cream, which is a Croap, which is a cross between a soap and a cream. They do that, they actually do 3. They do the sandalwood and shea butter, which is this one. They do a eucalyptus one, which is a green one, and they do a sensitive one, which is a white one. We then went on to use the Proraso aftershave. I think it was about £9, so it's not bad. We used the brand new Astra Brazers you'll go in, and the Edwin Jagger barley. I'm still looking for a decent butterfly. I don't want to spend a fortune just in case I don't get on with it, but the Wilkinson sword brush, my very ever first brush I bought. I think that was my trial to see if it worked. And of course, my trusty cup of tea, which was dandelion and ginger ale. No, it is, it's really nice at tea. That is it, that's me. I'm done. Used the Proraso range today, which you can get anywhere. You can get on Amazon, you can get from shaving station. I'll leave links down there where I got it. Let me know what you think of a live Christmas shave if you want me to do one. As I say, around about lunchtime, so anytime between 12 and 2. Because I don't want you missing the Queen's speech. If you're one of those that watches the Queen's speech, you don't want you missing it. So you don't have to. Leave your comments underneath. I do reply to them, I know I do. And I like reading your comments. Ring the bell up there. That means you get more notifications from me when I do these. And I love doing these for you guys. And hopefully you enjoy watching them. Hit the notifications as well. So you get notifications of when more of these are coming up. Hit a thumbs up, and comments and links underneath of what I've used and where you can get it from. I will see you on, hopefully, Wednesday for another shave. Because my missus reckons I look like a hobo when I have a shave. If not, I will see you Sunday for Sunday shave. So, goodbye. Shaving should be fun, not a chore. Bye.